Forms are the most essential part of any web application, and the Angular team has done really a very great job for the forms. Let's start our learning about the Angular forms. In Angular, we can design our form by using two approaches. First is the template driven and second is the reactive forms. These are two different approaches that we can use to create a form in Angular application. If we talk about the template driven, then it is quite clear from the name that this type of form is driven from the template. Template means the HTML file that we have in the component. Just to add few more lines to this template driven approach, we write our HTML in the template file. Also, the logic that is required for that particular form, that is also written in that form. And logic means checking the validations, disabling or enabling the controls based on the user input, etc. Second is the reactive form. In the reactive form, we have two parts. First is the HTML and second is the TS file. The basic HTML of the form is of course written in the template, but the main logic is written in the TS file. And because we are having the logic in the TS file, it means we are having more control on it. Let's not discuss more about the difference in between them. First, let's understand them, and once we will have good knowledge of both of them, then it would be very easy to find out the differences. Let's first start with the template driven approach.